Hey guys, it's Sujoy over here. So I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about which is the best sales funnel builder for startups. Um, so I've been using the software called as System.io. It's free to join. I run a startup online business. I used to use ClickFunnels before, but I was not happy with a couple of the features provided to me from ClickFunnels, and I kind of found it to be expensive, so I switched on to System.io, and ever since my startup business operations have become more streamlined. So I'm just going to walk you through the website over here. You can see that you have the testimonials of entrepreneurs and business owners. You can create sales funnels. They have a lot of beautiful sales funnel themes, custom pre-made designs. You can send marketing emails, build websites. Manage. You can manage your affiliates if you're creating an online course. You can completely automate your marketing functions. With System.io. You don't need to have a lot of technical knowledge. If I just walk you through the features over here of System.io, so you can see that you have the sales funnel builder, you have the email marketing tool, the website builder. You can completely automate your business. You can sell digital products, or you can sell physical products. You can sell online courses. So it's just like a lot of features, and when you're actually availing the startup package with System.io. Now you can see that they have also an advanced tracking system to track your sales conversions. That's what I really like about System.io. So you can just have a go through their website. If I talk about the pricing over here, so if you're a startup business, yes, you can create a free account with System.io. You can get 2,000 contacts, up to 2,000 contacts. But if you're really serious about scaling your startup, I suggest you go with the startup plan, which is $27 per month plan, where you get 5,000 contacts, unlimited emails you can send. You can create up to 10 sales funnel. Unlike in the free plan, it's only three sales funnel, but with the startup, you can create 10 sales funnel. You can have 50 sales funnel steps, so you can just have a look at the pricing package. You can have 10 email campaigns at a time. You can do 10 A/B tests. So I highly recommend you check out the startup plan. But if you really want to save up 30%, I suggest you go with the startup annual plan, which is for $228 per year. So you get to save 30%. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to leave a link down in the description below for you to check it out. To check out System.io if you're looking for, the best sales funnel builder for your online startup. Or if you have a startup business, I highly recommend you check out System.io. So I'm going to keep a link down in the description below. And of course, you can also check out the testimonials over here. Um, so you can see that you have many business owners who are very happy with with System.io. So these are all business owners, startup business owners. So you can see that they have been getting a lot of leads. If you're looking to generate more targeted leads, I highly recommend you check out System.io. So I'm going to keep a link down in the description below for you to get access to System.io. And also, if you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, you guys have a great day. Peace out.